Everybody loves Sandbaggy's Drip Tubing Stakes. Just ask Cowboy Todd.
Drip Tubing Stakes, take one, marker.
How do I like my steaks? Medium rare, of course.
Cut, not those steaks.
Take two, marker.
I like my drip tubing snakes.
Steaks.
I mean snakes.
No
steaks.
Steaks.
Take 34, marker.
I love my drip tubing brakes. I mean snakes.
Steaks. Say it with me.
Steaks. With my old staples, my drip tubing would be all over the place. But with these Sandbaggy staples, I can secure any drip irrigation tubing up to 1/4 inch.
Each of these are 5 inches long and made of rust-resistant galvanized steel. They'll be able to hold up even in the toughest of weather. That's some strong wind! They've even got these sharp ends, which makes them easy to install in hard, rocky soil. Sandbaggy Drip Tubing Stakes are available in 2 thicknesses, a 14 gauge for soft sandy soils and a heavy duty 11 gauge for hard rocky soils. And Sandbaggy has these available in larger quantities at a lower price than at your local hardware stores. I can get thousands of these for just pennies each. And the stakes are pre-packaged 100 per bag. Sandbaggy's an American Christian-run company based in California, trusted by farmers, landscapers, homeowners, and government agencies across this great country, America.